Hello, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Nothing spectacular, but here is CABA, guys, C-A-B-A. So the news this morning came out that the CEO bought about, I think, $190,000 worth of stock at 99 cents, okay? I think that was the news. So that got the stock going, and it kept, of course, it was winning a bunch of races. I think it's won 4 races so far. And my big deal was, if you look on the daily chart, you'll see there was a high of about 125. In fact, let me just bring up the daily chart. You're going to see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so you see this little high right there at 125. After that, there is a clear shot. I'm not saying it's getting there to 210. I think the 200-day moving average is about 160 or so. So anyway, there is room for this to run. So I thought, catalyst of the CEO buying, lots of room on the daily chart. This could have a multi-day run. So that is what made the trade great. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.